I'm here to respond to all of those ads you see out there for build your own solar panel. You can power your house for $100 or $200, and you can just go down to the hardware store and buy some parts on eBay, and you and your 5-year-old granddaughter in a couple of hours could build a solar panel and take yourself off the grid and knock your bills down by 80%. That is complete bunk, and there is a complete empire built on selling $49 instructional videos and information on building your own solar panels from spare parts and taking yourself off the grid. That is such bunk. Yeah, can you build a solar panel out of some broken solar panel chips and some Elmer's glue and silicone and some wire? Yeah, you can. You put one of those panels on your roof and you could power maybe a transistor radio. That would be fabulous, huh? Central air conditioning? No. You need about 150 of those homemade panels, and good luck gluing all those together. It's just not going to happen. It's ridiculous. But are they selling thousands and thousands of instructional videos on how to build your own solar panels and take yourself off the grid and be energy independent, and there's dancing girls and people with all their stories of how great this works? Well, they're all on this multi-level marketing scam that has tendrils all over the place, selling basically information you could get on the internet in 10 minutes of Googling. So I'd be very careful and don't drop $49 on something that is just completely bogus. If it says $100 or $200 and you could take yourself off the grid in an hour's worth of work with your 5-year-old nephew, no, that's not going to happen. That's baloney. So don't waste your money on that. There are good courses out there that are available in that same price range that really do deliver the entire tutoring you require to learn the skills to actually put solar on a house. So be careful on that stuff. If it seems too good to be true, it isn't true.